Hi, I'm Bob McBride with MarineMax, Missouri, and we just got this boat in the other day. This is gorgeous. It's got the blue with the silver accent. This is a 250 Solstice, brand new 2021. Come on aboard. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's got the French gray pillow top interior, very nice. Got an in-floor storage for your skis right here. Storage under all these compartments. This has got the upgraded JL audio speakers. When you come on back on this boat, you'll notice the gray seagrass floor. We're still prepping it. It's in our rig center, but it will be ready to go. This is a center walkthrough plan, dual helm seats, wonderful boat. It has a 9-inch Simrad there, so you've got lots of screen room. You've got a JL audio stereo. You've got digital throttle with power assisted steering and CZONE lighting. Even a wireless charger for your cell phone. This has everything, the tower, and on top of that, I don't know about you guys, but I like to go fast. I'm an old man, I like my hair blown back. So this has got the 350 Mercury Verado on it. It's so quiet you never even hear it running, but it will fly. And you can also order these with 400s. So come see us here at MarineMax, Missouri. We'll get you in the boat of your dreams, a nice Harris Solstice 250. This is Bob with MarineMax. Come see me.